and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have 21 Pilots here. If you like 21 Pilots like I do, then this is the channel to go. We will learn routines in the night. All right, routines, I love that. Both night and day, actually. We're gonna look at the night routines here from 21 Pilots. We have a 4-chord song, all right, so we're gonna use a string pattern that's divided into 2 different parts to get this certain rhythm here that works for this song. So keep on second, that's the starting point, and the 4 chords will be C, B minor, E minor, and D. Let's start with C. That is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. B minor, it's a bar chord where you play the index finger on the 2nd fret. You bar 5 strings there from down and up. And then you need to add 4th on D string, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. We have E minor coming up, and that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And the final chord is D. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. All right, so we'll now look at the challenging part here, which is the strumming. We have this certain rhythm that goes on in this song, and I have a strumming pattern that works to get this rhythm going on. So we're gonna look at the first transition here between C and B minor. And by the way, the chord progression will be the same through the entire song in the order we learned the chords. So C, B minor, E minor, and D. So the first 2 chords, you're gonna play like this. Okay, so the first part is C. You're gonna play down, clap, down, up, clap. So down, clap, down, up, clap. That's the first part. And then over to B minor. Here you're gonna start immediately after the clap from the C. You're gonna start to play the B minor, and it goes like this. All right. So it goes down, up, clap, down, up, clap. So it goes. So it's not down, up, clap. It's like a delayed down, up, clap. Okay, so. And then you have a pause after the clap. So you play down, up, clap 2 times. So down, up, clap, down, up, clap. And there you have the right rhythm here for the song. So together it will be like this, slowly. And then you play the same principle here for the next 2 chords, E minor and D. So E minor is played in the same way as C, the part 1, down, clap, down, up, clap, and then D, down, up, clap, down, up, clap. And it goes like that from the beginning till the very end. So a couple of rounds goes. Alright guys, routines in the night. Have a good time and play tuned.